Hello friends, I am Tanvi. Today we are going to discuss about the subject mathematics and the topic is profit and loss. So let's begin. So profit and loss. What is the profit? A profit occurs when you sell something for more than its cost. It means if you have a shop or something, if you brought a if your shopkeeper, you brought something for rupees 200. If you brought something for rupees 200, take a article or something, you bought for rupees 200, then see, a profit occurs when you sell something for more than its normal cost. The cost is 200. If you sell it more than its cost, if you sell for 250 or 300, it is more than the actual price. So that is profit. You get more, you just sell it for more than its actual price. It's just profit. Now, what is loss? What is loss? A loss occurs when an item is sold for less than its cost price. Means an item, which I said the article which is for 200 rupees, and same occurs, the loss occurs when an item is sold less than its actual price. The actual price is 200. If you sell it for 200 is the price. If you sell it for 150, it is less than the actual price. So we have a loss of 50 rupees. So 200 is the actual price. If we sell it for 150, we sell it for 50 rupees. We have 50 rupees of loss. 50 rupees. We buy it for 200. If we sell it for 150, it is a loss. We get a loss. So here there is some examples. If you see these examples, you just understand what is the profit and loss better. So example is, if a shopkeeper bring a cloth for rupees 100 and sells it for rupees 120, what is the profit? So here, as I said, what is profit? It is more than the actual price. When you sell something more than the actual price you bought it. So here the actual price. If a shopkeeper bring a cloth for rupees 100, see what there is two prices. Actual price which you brought from somewhere. If a shopkeeper has to go to some market or mall and he brings an item, a shopkeeper brings an item. Then where he brings from is the cost price. Actual price is the cost price. At what price he is selling? Cost price is the actual price of that thing, and the selling price is nothing but the how much he is selling it for. Okay, so selling price and cost price. So if a shopkeeper bring a cloth for, he went and brings a cloth for rupees 100. So 100 is our cost price. As he goes and brings it and sells it for rupees 120. So here what you observe is the profit is there. It is more than the selling. So see here the cost price and selling price is there. Now the selling price is more than the cost price. Means it will be the profit. He gains a profit. He gets a profit. Now, how much profit he gets? To find that, see the selling price which he sold it is 120. He sold the cloth and he brought it for rupees 100. He's selling it a bit more. How much profit he gets is, we have to do we have to do subtraction to check. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. 1 minus 0, 0. So here 20 rupees. 20 rupees profit he got. He got 20 rupees of profit. So how to know if it is a profit? The selling price should, if it is, the selling price is more than the cost price. The selling price is how much he is selling is more than the cost price is from where he bought. What is the cost of that? If the selling price is more than the cost price, it is profit. So let's move on to the loss. What is the example of the loss? We'll see the example. If a salesperson has bought a textile for rupees 300 and he has to sell it for rupees 250, he had a loss of. See here they're saying there's a salesperson. He brought a textile for rupees 300. What is this? This is our cost price. This is the salesperson's cost price. And because of some issues were there, some problems were there. So due to that problems, he had to sell that textile for rupees 250. So here the cost price is more and the selling price which is selling is loss. The selling price is more than this cost price. So he is absolutely having a loss in it. See, if he buys a textile from 300 and he sells it for 250, he is having a loss. So we have to find how much loss he is having. So here, to find the loss, we have to put the cost price. That is 300. He brought 300 is the actual price of the textile. The selling price is 250, which is sold. So the loss indicates that the cost price is more than selling price. If the cost price is more than the selling price, then it is a loss. Okay, so to find it, just to do 300 minus 250, we get the answer 50. So he had rupees 50, the loss. He had a loss of rupees 50. He had a loss of rupees 50. So what did you understand in this? So I will just go with the recap again. Profit. A profit is just when the selling price is more than the cost price. Again, what is cost price and selling price? Cost price is the actual price where he brings a product. The selling price in how much rate he sells it. Cost price is the actual price and the selling price is how much he is selling it for. Now if the selling price is more than the cost price, it is a profit. If the cost price is more than the selling price, the cost price, the actual price, is more than the selling price. The selling is a loss. He is having a loss. Okay. So even in this profit and loss, we have another two types that I will explain you in the next class. So that's all for today's class. Hope you understood. I will meet you in the next session.